Hello guys, it's Neita. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I draw a body. And this video is the part 1 of this whole body tutorial. So today I'm gonna be focusing on basic body structure and body proportion. So get ready, let's go! Okay, so as we all know that our body has so many parts and joints, and I prefer to draw a body from head all the way down to the feet. So let me show you. Draw a circle as a head, and then down, all the way down, and the chest part I will draw a trapezoid and another trapezoid, a smaller one, slender oval as the thighs and legs, and our feet, and here's the arm, slender oval, and another one, the hand, slender oval, and the hand, and then these are the parts, and I'm going to draw like joints. Here is the neck, here shoulders and elbow, and our waist. Here's the I don't know how to call this, upper thighs area, and our knees, the ankle, of course here, the wrist, yeah, and yeah, that's it. You have a whole body structure. It's very easy, right? And yes, this body structure is definitely adjustable because it depends on your design for your character. Like this, maybe your character has a bigger chest. You can draw this upper part bigger and lower part lower part smaller, and they will look like this. big butt, and it will look like this. So it is just depends on how you design your character. So you can change the portion of these parts. Of course, these arms also you can change it to like a thicker one. These eyes and legs thicker. That is totally fine. Okay, so for the body proportion, the basic body length, body height will be 8 heads. The length of 8 heads, like this. Your heads length, this, and count. This is 1 head, 2 heads, 3 heads, 4 heads, 5 heads, 6 heads, 7 heads, 8 heads. Okay, almost. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's like almost 8 heads. So I found a picture on Pinterest. It shows the body proportion, and this, the head, the body length is about 8 heads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the length of the arm is from the shoulder to here. It's about 1/3 of the thigh, this area, 1/3 of the thigh, 1, 2, 3. And upper thigh to here, the shoulder to here, 1/3 of the thigh. And the arms, like this part, is the length is almost like the length of this part. This is the same. And then the legs, thighs and legs. These two are the same length, and the length is a little bit longer than the arms. A bit longer. If your arms like this long, and your legs may be like this. And the width of the shoulder is about 3 heads. One, two, 3. And this, the width of the butt, is about 2 heads, I think. Yeah, that's it. Okay guys, this is how I draw body structure and body proportion. So hope it's helpful for you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.